social media, especially for small business, my recommendation is to start with the social media platform that you know and you have more confidence in. Because again, if you've got a ground of confidence to begin with, it makes it a whole lot easier to be able to promote your business if you have a better understanding of the platform. But as I mentioned, Facebook is kind of reaching its peak and is slowly going downhill. It's becoming a bit bloated and it's becoming a little bit long in the teeth. As I say that as someone who started using Facebook when it first came out in Australia, and started running and helping businesses on Facebook back in the day. So when it comes to moving over to a new platform, I highly recommend getting a personal account before you start your business account. To try a personal account out, get the feel for the platform, see what the actual functionality of the actual platform is like, but also what trends are currently running on the platform. If any of your friends or any of your family are on there, maybe seeing what they do and how they use the platform. Listen or watch any experts who are currently in the field, not necessarily to take their word verbatim. You should never take anyone's word verbatim, but to be able to just use people's insight into the platforms to say, like, okay, I can then use this in my own business. And then once you create the account, then from there, give yourself the opportunity to post around 2 to 3 times a week and give yourself a consistent pattern that you know you can meet.